Since AGC's founding over 100 years ago, AGC has provided value to society through the differentiated materials and solutions. We have always adapted to the change of industry such as motorization, IT revolution, and environmental issues. We enjoy very strong relationships with customers. We believe open innovation is the key for success, to create cutting-edge technology and new business. CES is the ideal platform to showcase these initiatives. We hope to build new relationships here and continue providing new value for future customers. In CES, I would like to emphasize glass is in prime position. Technological innovations related to case are essential for realizing next generation mobility. An interrupted sensor is crucial for the stable operation. 5G communication and LiDAR are examples of this. 5G antenna can be located on the glass. Stable LiDAR operations needs highly functional glass. This is why I say that glass is in prime position. Please stop by our booth and enjoy the leading-edge material technology. I look forward to seeing you all there. Thank you.
So in the field of ADAS and autonomous drives, there is a real need of integrating a high number of sensors around the vehicle. The challenge is how can we integrate these sensors around the vehicle in a seamless way while preserving performance, and two, ensuring that the sensor will operate in harsh conditions. And this is where wide-eye comes into play. So we developed a special line of product to accompany the customer in their integration journey for sensor integration based on our glass solution. So this year at CES, we are showcasing 5 novel integrations. The first one is an integration behind the windshield where we integrated a wide field of view LiDAR with multiple cameras. The second one, and we are proud to announce our new roof design. It's a roof composed of a full glass with an additional protective skin to hide the LiDAR. The third integration is an integration in the bumper, an integration in the fender because we are seeing traction from the market for side detection for short range. And the last one is an integration in the B-pillar, which is very seamless from a design point of view, and this shows how wide-eye could cover any location on the vehicle.
This is a FIR camera compatible windshield. On the upper windshield, there is a special material lens that allows far infrared light to transmit, something which the ordinary automotive glass does not. And behind the material, there is a FIR camera. It can detect the far infrared radiation with a wavelength of 8 to 13 micrometer, which is equal to body heat from human or animals. This concept can reduce the risk of traffic accidents involving pedestrians and cyclists in bad weather or at night.
This is super hydrophobic glass. This glass has ultrafine surface roughness and is coated by hydrophobic material. Surface roughness enhances its hydrophobicity, so this glass shows super water repellency like a lotus leaf. In most cases, glass with surface structure scatters light and looks hazy. On the other hand, this super hydrophobic glass achieves both super water repellency and transparency by controlling the surface structure. It is currently under development for practical use. We are considering deploying it to LiDAR applications.
AGC is also providing a solution for the LiDAR system. So we have several components for the LiDAR system, such as chips, cover glass, diffuser, lens, optical filter, and so on. So we can propose each item based on the customer's requirement, especially for the cover glass. So we have a unique technology based on the chemically tempered glass. So we achieved high strength glass, which is complying with the automotive industry standard. AGC is producing low glass materials for cover glass for electronic devices. Our product name is Dragon Trail, and Dragon Trail is based on aluminum silicate glass, which is very common for chemical tempering. The glass can be tempered by the ion exchange technology, and also the tempered glass is minimum 4 times stronger than conventional glass, such as soda glass. We have the long history for the production of Dragon Trail, more than 10 years. At the beginning, our glass was developed for the smartphone application, but recently the glass is widely used for the automotive application, such as in-vehicle displays.
Hello, we are excited to introduce AGC connected glass with 5G ultra-wideband and wideband antennas that all together can transfer the glass into antenna. The elegantly designed antenna that actually transfers the glass into antenna, providing a solution for 5G ultra-wideband. This antenna can be installed on a new glass or installed on an existing glass or laminated with a new glass. With this, AGC actually is committed to give a solution for the new car generation that support 5G remotely driven car or the next generation of the autonomous car driving.
At CES 2024, we're unveiling 5G glass technology focused on enabling connectivity through buildings. We're showcasing our wave antenna and wave through glass products to enable connectivity in buildings. First, wave through is a foundational technology where we treat the coated glass within a building utilizing a laser, which will overcome the losses or the signal attenuation because of the low E coatings. The second technology are wave antenna that are transparent or printed antennas that can be directional or omnidirectional antennas to improve coverage. So whether you're going to use an antenna for indoor and outdoor coverage, or you can discretely integrate antennas for indoor coverage, it's a new approach to enable connectivity within buildings.
AGC Semiconductor Group is now focused on providing compositions and engineering know-how to enhance the communication. Emerging markets such as automotive, data centers, medical, and communication are all markets that AGC are addressing with advanced technologies. We are currently providing glass and structures to provide specialized packaging, which are necessary for optical and electrical communication. AGC is developing these products to meet these emerging markets and increase the speed and emerging speeds that are currently available now to the customer. AGC is looking for products that will meet your dreams, which is our challenge.
Fidelin Glass believes that glass can be a game changer for the cockpit of the future. Based on an extensive experience on the display cover glass, we have been developing a lot of new treatment that we can apply on the glass. You see here a lot of design that have been studied by our designers and designed especially to suit the needs of the customer for the future. Our designers have designed a lot of new range that can make the glass very suitable for different applications in decoration, but also in display and any function that falls in between the two. We have reflecting effects, we have matte effects, we have semi-transparency effect that allows to define almost any potential combination for the future.
You know probably the solution of head-up display that are currently on the cars. This solution have a big problem. When you wear your sunglasses, the information disappears completely. Now, at AGC, we have a real new solution with coating. You can wear your sunglasses and the information stay visible on your glazing. So this solution have this first advantage of sunglasses, but they have other advantage. Now the information stay visible, so we can remove completely the the display on the dashboards. We can have a more simplified dashboard in the future. Secondly, we can decrease also the power consumption of displays because thanks to our reflectivity, we can decrease the consumption of the displays and also decrease also the thermal management of the displays. And the other solutions that we are developing, it's more high reflective. So we have 25% of reflectivity on this one, and we can put it directly on the windshield here and also increase the quality and the intensity of the pictures. Thank you. If you are interested by this, don't hesitate to contact us.
We are AGC is the first company in the world to introduce automotive display cover glass. We have achieved safety, high visibility, and superior design by using our technology. Example for chemical strength, anti-reflection, anti-glare, anti-finger coating. In this year, we are exhibiting P2P size display size cover glass to meet the demand of the larger display. The features of this glass are strength and 2.5D design at the edge of glass. Regarding to strength, we are using hot bending technology. This tech does not cause the remained stress in the glass after bending, so it is able to bond stably. The 2.5D design realizes safety and good appearance.
I am demonstrating AGC's light control panoramic roof with low E coating. Like the side window, the light control on the panoramic roof utilizes a polymer dispersed liquid crystal, or PDLC. In doing so, I can switch it from opaque to transparent instantly by changing the current through the window. It also has a low E coating, that stands for low emissivity, meaning that it transfers little heat between the glass and the air, keeping the cabin comfortable. So in the summer, it reduces heat coming inside of the vehicle, and in the winter, it reduces the heat leaving the vehicle. AGC's light control side window technology. It utilizes a polymer dispersed liquid crystal, or PDLC, to instantly change the window from transparent to opaque with applications in reducing glare or light, or possibly for privacy. An example of this, when current is running through it, it is transparent, but when I shut that off, it becomes opaque, and turning it on again, it instantly becomes transparent. We also have this technology available for our roof glass, and it is commercially available.
This is a versatile noise control material. Our material is layered structure composed of non-woven and polyurethane foam. It is under developing for marketing. Most materials specialized in either sound absorption or sound insulation, but our material can do both. In the future, we expect to use this material as a countermeasure against changes in a sound environment inside or outside vehicle due to electrification.
This item is one of new communication tools for case-based mobility. Images can be projected onto AGC-developed laminated glass using special screen film sandwiched between two pieces of glass. The window shows clear and high-contrast projected images, and they simply become a clear window when there is no image to display.
Recently, AGC has launched a new product, which is the anti-reflection film. In general, if we use the anti-reflection film, so there are few negative impact for the surface, so we can recognize the whiteness. we have developed a new film, so which is improving the contrast. So by using our new coating technology, so that darkness is most important feature of our product. This is also a new product and very similar with the next one. And if we look at the film, so from the different angles, the color is also changing. But in case of our new product, even if the different angles from the viewing, so the color won't be changed anymore. This is new one. Thank you.
So Reflect is a part of AGC Automotive Europe, and we are targeting to do fast prototyping for automotive glazing. It means that we can answer to internal of AGC or external requests to make glazing as you wish, meaning we are able to laminate any innovations that AGC is capable to provide. So we have produced many of the prototypes that are shown in the show today at CES. And we are in close collaboration with the European R&D Center to provide all those information. So, according to your request, what you would like to integrate, we are able in few weeks to answer to that. We are able to cut, grind, and bend, and finally laminate the innovations that we can do.
Hi, today at CES we are highlighting our fluoropolymers for wire insulation, as well as our EA2000 that can be used for printed circuit boards for flexible as well as stackable PCBs for improved frequency, improved flexibility, as well as processability. This will be very critical moving forward for high-end PCBs that require this increased frequency. We're also highlighting EA2000 that could be used in wire and cable applications. For some similar reasons, it's bondable to copper, so it can be used in a copper-clad wire without any other layers, and that same bondability is why it's so easy to use in this printed circuit board application. We're also highlighting our modified PEEK that could be used in a similar wire and cable application, but this is used for a lot of magnet wire for EV applications, which is going to be an important thing for AGC moving forward.
There has been a lot of challenges in the solid-state battery onto the market. The reason why that challenge is there was the mass production technology to realize the solid-state electrolyte. We recently developed the proprietary production technology of the solid-state electrolyte in the R&D center. And also, we had good customer feedback. So our material is much better performance than the conventional players one. So we're now looking forward to the mass production, the scale-up technologies. So yeah, we look forward to providing our material in the future.